So here's the gig. If I am using a brand new company as a supplier, I will always get my stuff checked before I send it to FBA. Always get it checked, especially if it's coming from China or somewhere like that. Doubly so. But just take it as read. Always get it checked. New supplier, get it checked. Do not trust, verify. Do not trust, verify for sure. Now, who the hell should you use for that? Well, I favor, as do a lot of people in here, sample checkers. Shane is a freaking legend, and he was actually at the AOE conference this year. He's just a genius, that guy. He's really, really cool. So that's Shano right there, and Lily, his wife. Shane's great, but don't dick him about. It's taken us ages to get Shane into a great position. Only contact the guy when you are ready, and when you contact him, go through the necessary steps to get in touch with him, okay? He does heaps of different things. He's such a cool guy. He'll help you with heaps of different stuff. So sample checkers, that's who I use. That's who heaps of folks in AOE use. He is bloody brilliant. He will do all that for you. He's based in China. He also does, if you're getting 3 different samples from 3 different suppliers in China, get them sent to Shano. He'll consolidate them and then send them to you. You'll save a shitload of money doing that. Just doing that, you'll save yourself a shitload of money. That's a technical term. And he also does some other stuff too. But for you and I, what you need to know is get your stuff tested. He will get your samples and put them through the ringer, make sure they're all okay. And if they're not, that is the time to send them back to the factory. It is not the time to send them back to the factory when they've arrived in Australia at FBA or when they've arrived in the USA at FBA. It is extremely difficult to get your factory to accept the goods in return. Basically, they're going to tell you to go forth and multiply. You've got to do it whilst it's in your country of origin. That's the time to do it before you pay them, of course, your final installment of their monies too. So Karen, that's what I will be doing, love. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.